Hello little gems and welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd quickly do a very quick video for you to show you what I got in the Amazon Prime sale. Just purely because, you know, it was actually, I didn't find that much I actually really wanted. So, but I had a look and there was a couple of bits I thought, oh, that's not a bad price. So I went ahead and got them. So the first thing I got was not really for myself, but I thought they'll be good for when I do another giveaway and stuff like that. So I have here enough for 6. So I have enough for 6 like giveaways, and I'll do a little kit or something with them and everything. But yeah, I thought it'd be nice to give a little pen. These were £3 odd for 2 pens. So I got 6. I thought as a good price for 2 pens in each. And I do really enjoy, because I've got both styles of these pens. I've got this type and I've got the thicker type. And I do find, out of all my pens, like this is slightly thinner, but yeah, I still do use these. I'll show you. Got them just next to me. So I've got that one. And then I've got it in blue. So yeah, I do use these styles too. So yeah, I like to switch between all 3 pens, you know. So yeah, definitely was a good little buy, I personally think. 2 pens for just over £3 each. Or they had a 7-pack for, no, they had 4-pack for £7 something. So it worked out cheaper to buy the 2-pack than the 4-pack. So I got 3 of the 2-pack. So yeah, I've got a few of these for giveaways and that. So yeah, that I thought was a really good little buy. So we've got 2 of the resin pens one in purplish and one in green. And they are really nice pens to use. I use mine all the time. So, yeah. That was my first little Amazon buy. Right, my second little Amazon buy, I bought this. It was a little freestyle project. So, I was like, oh, that looks a bit interesting. So let's have a very quick look. So we'll have a look at the accessory pack. So it actually looks really interesting. Oh, not bad at all. It actually looks like a very nice little tray. And it actually looks like it actually slots into more trays, so you can have lots stuck together, as you can see. So that actually does look like a very nice little tray. I've never, ever received a tray like that before. So actually, I'm really impressed by that. And a blue sparkly pen with a free multi-placer. Blue wax and a blue gripper. So yeah, I have to say that is a very nice little toolkit. And I'm actually really excited to try that tray, because I've never had a tray like this before. So that looks very, very interesting. So yeah, definitely will be giving that a go. And yeah, so it's nice to see, like, first time I've ever tried Art Dot, because they did ask me ages ago to do a unboxing for something. And I know Louise from Crazy Borgies got asked too. And I'm pretty sure we both chose the same thing, but it never arrived. You know, it never came. They kept saying it's out of stock. And I was like, okay then, you know, they said, oh, what about that, trying this? And I was like, but that's what I asked for. And they were like, oh, okay. But it never arrived, so a bit strange really. Right, so these are stickers, but they're freestyle projects. So you can put the colours on however you please. So you don't have to stick to A, C and the round symbol. It's just basically, you know, just showing you like, so they're saying that black can be A, obviously. And then all the other can be whatever colour you choose. And there are so many different designs. Lollipops, sweets, ice cream cone, I think that's a feather. The moon. Music note. Flower. Another music note. Lightning bolt. Ice lolly. I think that's a drop of water. I think that's a crown. Butterfly. So as you can see, there are so many different things. And this was £5, which I thought was a really good price. A donut. And there are some slightly bigger ones as well in here. So there's definitely a good selection. I like the smiley face and the paw print. So yeah, I can't honestly say, there isn't a selection of different ones to do. And so they're good for everybody of different ages. You know, so like for kiddies who want to do diamond paint but don't want to do like a massive one, these are ideal. And you get a whole lot of drills with them to do your freestyle projects. You've got lots, looks like you get lots of black, which is very, very good. And then you can choose all different colours for everything else. So you do include the drills as well, which I am actually really impressed by that. So I'm definitely going to check out Art Dot's, some more stuff from Art Dot, I think. But yeah, really am impressed with this kit in general. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing a full video on that. So yeah, £5 that cost me in the Amazon Prime sale. So that was not bad at all, I personally don't think. And it's a nice strong box, and it all comes very compact. As you can see, they're shown, you can do any colours you want. You don't have to do one colour. Do whatever colours you feel like. So that's what they're saying. Alright, so A is for a dark colour. B is for any colour in succession. C is for white. And that symbol here is for any colour. So yeah, they're saying, so they're giving you a rough guide saying A is black. And then this is any colour you feel like. So yeah, just so I think it's like for like highlighting and all stuff like that is why they're saying like C is white. Like you can see in these pictures here, you can see some whites. So I think that's that. And I got one more thing. So I didn't go too mad. I only bought a couple of bits. I bought myself a coaster kit, which I thought should be fun. I have done one coaster in the past. That was before, this was a couple of years ago I did my coaster kit. Before whole kits like this came out. Kits like this has only been out in the last 6 months, I think. So yeah, they haven't been out that long. This was £6.95, I think, on Amazon. So I thought it was a good price. So you get your usual cheap kit. We get all different Mandela style coasters. That's the only style they had for that listing. But I thought for £6 odd, you know, you're not going to go wrong. You didn't get a stand for this one, which is absolutely fine. So we got this style, this one. That was very pretty. I like that one too. And I like that. I like most of them, to be honest. You get your cork, which is stuck. There you go. Your cork bottoms to go on the bottom of your coasters, which is a very good plan. And then we've got all our drills all coming. There's a very nice hair in this bag. And I'll show you, it's definitely not my hair. I haven't even opened this bag yet. This hair has come all the way from China. I'm not going to be freaked out by it though. So we get lots of clear silver. Got a gorgeous blue, an orange, red, lighter blue, purple, turquoise, light blue, greens, and like a yellow. So, and an orange there. So we've got a whole heck of colours there, which I will be excited to do because I've never done a whole coaster kit before. I've only done one that I've done before. So yeah. Really excited to try this. I really am. And they've all actually got the symbols, as you can see. So it's telling you the symbols on the bag, which is very good. So we know exactly what is what goes where. So yeah, because obviously in my original video where I did it years ago, I didn't seal it. I was too scared I was going to ruin it because it's such a strong, it's a really nice coaster. So I never used it actually for a coaster. It's just sat on my side because I like it. But so yeah, I will like do part 1 when I do the coasters, and then part 2 it will be when I seal it. And I always recommend, I thought I'd quickly say now because some of you say, what would you seal them with, Jem? Right, Cheap Shops. I got that from a Cheap Shop. Gloss varnish. It's clear gloss finish. Make sure it's the clear finish, like the clear one. All right. Can be used for interior and exterior. That's what I use. So my cheap little bits and bobs shop, £2.99. All those of you in the UK and you have a Home Bargains, not Home Bargains, a B&M, and they have the paint section. I got that from B&M and it clears dry. All right. Cannot go wrong with varnish. That's what I personally use. You can get this other stuff from America, Polyseal or something, but that is super expensive. And Louise was telling me it is really expensive to get in from America. She spent a lot of money on that. But yeah, this is what I would personally use, because Louise did ask me a couple of weeks ago what I use from all my outside projects to steal them. And I said, this is what I use for all mine. You know, just a clear gloss varnish. Does wonders. Always use that from all my projects, all my outside projects. Never had an issue with it. So in case you do, right, so this was like your Cheap Jack shop. Sells everything, all your bits and pieces, stuff like that. And then that was from B&M in the UK. I got this. So yes, keep an eye out for them. Or you can get them from B&Q and all stuff like that. But that's just where I got these. So yeah, I'm going to be really excited to do these coasters. I haven't done a diamond paint and craft project in so long. So yeah, I'm going to be really excited to do these. I think they are going to be so fun to do. So yeah, and then I've got the cork there and their wood. So it should be really fun to do. So I'm really looking forward to doing them too. Obviously, you need to have good lighting for these because they're not clear. So you can't use your light pad on these. But the print is absolutely gorgeous on it. Really is. So yeah, and I think that is it for this video. So that's all I really got from the Amazon Prime sale. My husband got me a new pair of trainers for work. So that's about it really. Because my trainers, I only bought them in April. And they got a hole in them already. So I'm really annoyed about that. They're Skechers as well. But they were just normal Skechers. And I don't think they really were designed for what I do. Because I do a lot of bending at work and that. So I'm a lot of time bending with trainers and everything. So I don't think they were really built for that. So he got me a hiking pair of Skechers. And they were 45, reduced from 80 something. So yeah, that was nice. Which was really nice for him. So something a bit stronger for work. So obviously Skechers are known to be comfortable for work. So yeah, so that is it for this video. That is all I really got in the Prime sale. Keep an eye out because I have got another unboxing coming up. I'm just waiting for it to be delivered, as the lovely Kerry from Magpie Diamond Painting. I just done a cheeky little order for small waxes because I'm absolutely loving this. And I will show you. It is being well used, as you can see. And every time I use it, I have to give it a good whiff. So, yeah, absolutely loving this. So, yeah, I've ordered myself some more. And then when my mum gets back from her holiday, I will say to me mum, right, mum, you choose a couple you like and everything else. So, yeah, and I will stock up on a few more and I'll do them including giveaways. Even if I just do a pen and wax for a giveaway, I think people would love that. I do have a few little cheap little kits laying around, so I can always include a cheap little kit. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing another giveaway for you guys. I'll see, it would just be, I don't know if it would just be like in my UK diamond painting group, or something. So yeah, I'll figure it out. So yeah, so these were my Amazon Prime Day little buys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I've waffled on for way too long. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.